Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be yet another look using the Natasha Denona Tropic Palette. And I know what you're thinking. Como chingas? Haven't you gotten tired of using this palette yet? And the answer is no, I have not. It is my go-to palette now for the month that I've had it. It is amazing. I love it. I can't seem to put it down. So there's going to be quite a few looks filmed using this palette. Anyways, I digress. Let's get started. So I'm watching Oxygen, Dateline, Secrets Uncovered while I get ready. Because I just got cable. So now I can watch all this stuff. I'm going to deepen the outer corner there with Sangria.
Boo, you whore. No, I feel like it's just too much. Much too much. Just lip gloss. It's like halfway. Okay, Desi, Katie, Anna, those colors, you need to bring this back. And now I need to do my hair, so I'll be right back.
As I was watching the footage back, I realized that I didn't film an intro or an outro, hence the voiceover, but that's irrelevant. Anyways, so that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.